Why do we all need to have everything? We can't afford it, we haven't got the space for it, it's not environmentally sensible.
Mae pobl yn tueddol o brynu pethau am y tymor byr mwyn ateb galw am nawr, am rhywbeth falle sydd yn mynd i gymryd lle yn y tŷ sydd yn segur.
Mae yna werth i Llyfrgell Pethau yn amlwg mewn dinas. Dydy pobl ddim efo gofod yn eu tai a maen nhw angen, mae yna gymaint o resymau i gael Llyfrgell Pethau. Ond mae hefyd yn ffitio mewn cymunedau gwledig. Dwi'n meddwl bod gennym ni draddodiad wedi bod o rannu a berchnogi mewn cymunedau. Dechrau mi fysa offer ffarmio, mae o'n ddrud i'w brynu, mi fysa ni'n rhannu stwff. Ac ella da ni'n colli hynny. Dyda ni'n menthu gan yn cymdogion yn yr un ffordd fysa ni wedi wneud 20 mlynedd yn ôl. Felly mae'r Llyfrgell Pethau yn ffordd o atgyfodi hen syniad mewn ffordd chydig bach yn wahanol.
Yn enw i Hugh Evans, dwi'n gweithio i Fenter Gorllewin Sirgar. Wy'n byw yn lleol i Gastell Newydd. Dwi mai ffeindio mas mwy ynglyn â'r Llyfrgell Pethau yma, achos fi'n credu bod yn syniad gwych, a mae eisiau ni wneud mwy o fenthyg yn hytrach na prynu.
I'm Jane and I am in the old Barclays Bank building in Newcastle, EMLYN. Thanks to a very, very generous landlord, this is now home to the Library of Things and to the community fridge. They sit in 2 rooms side by side. That pressure washer, a tenner, I think that was a tenner or something like that. In any case, really very reasonable rates.
Saves people having to fork out for stuff that they don't use very much at all.
Or driving, I drove to Aberystwyth to get a good carpet cleaner last
Oh,
year.
yeah.
Yeah. And it cost me 60 quid.
We've even been donated an industrial one.
Dwi'n credu bod dewis lleoliad fel un ar y stryd fawr yn Castell Newydd yn bwysig, achos beth yw, y neges yw, mae fe'n priffrydio popeth. Mae eisiau bod pobl yn gweld bod yna, ond hefyd mae rhaid i lwyddo, mae rhaid i Llyfrgell y Pethau fod yn dewis cyntaf i bobl.
You're having a nice evening out. We've got tables over there, really sturdy tables. And this is a gazebo.
Y prosiect nes i weithio nhw'n reiddiol oedd mewn cael Llyfrgell Pethau mewn llyfrgell gyhoeddus sydd yn cael ei redeg yn y cyngor. Catrin weithio dwi yn swyddog datblygu i Benthyg Cymru a dwi yn gweithio i gefnogi cymunedau i sefydlu llyfrgelloedd Pethau. Mae Llyfrgell Pethau yn syml iawn yn fatha llyfrgell llyfrau, gyda chi'n Benthyg Pethau dim llyfrau, felly tools, offer garddio, tegana, stwff yn y gwaith rownd y tŷ, unrhyw fath o stwff da chi'n prynu unwaith, a gella mae'n eistedd am silff am weddill y flwyddyn, pam ddim benthyg o yn hytrach na prynu.
I'm Lisa Prados, I work for Benthyg Cymru. I'm the South Wales Community Development Officer. I support communities and organisations across the South to set up libraries of things.
Are we better doing one long day? Because certainly town is busier in the mornings than it is later on in the afternoon.
I would say a lot of the projects that are open for longer say that people either come at the very start or the very end of the day. So I don't think there's a huge amount of benefit whether you're open 4 hours or 2 hours. Because one of the projects has recently had to reduce their hours and they said they haven't really seen a change in the borrowing numbers. So,
But they were already established.
Yes, they were already established.
Yes.
And I think, for me, one of the things is consistency.
We support a network of libraries, so they can join our network, which is free for the lowest level support. And then we've just got all the toolkits, the resources, the experience and the information to support anyone from any organisation or any place to, if they want to set up a library of things.
So the name for the combined operation here is Pethau PAWB, and Pethau PAWB means, loosely translated, it's something for everyone. And we think we have ticked the box. We do have something for everyone. If you go to Pethau PAWB EMLYN, then that will take you to the website, and then you can see all the things that we've got coming in. So it's an ever-growing list. Most of this stuff has been donated, but not all. But we're always open for volunteers. You know, the deeper our volunteer team is in the fridge, then if someone goes off sick, it's easy to, find someone else to slot in at short notice. We need volunteers in the library as well so that we can extend our hours a little bit. We're really, really fortunate. The person that runs this, that coordinates this, Liz, she is a dab hand at repairing all sorts of things. So she volunteers at the repair cafe, but it was her the other day that was taking this apart, sharpening the tools.
I'm Kieran. I help out here. Liz is in charge, and I help Liz fix things if they come back not quite right, need sorting out before they go out again. I pop in on a Thursday, no more than an hour a week. I like it because it's nice, isn't it? It's a community thing, it's community resources.
Mae o hefyd yn ffordd o ddod yn ni at yn gilydd fel cymdeithas, achos da ni'n rhannu fel cymdeithas ac fel cymuned, a dyna pam mae o'n gret bod yma heddiw yma yn Castell Newydd EMLYN yn gweld y gwaith sydd wedi bod yn digwydd a'r wefr gymunedol sydd yna tu ôl i brosiect fel hyn. Pam ydych chi ar y stryd fawr, mae pobl eisiau gwybod beth ydi o, beth sy'n mynd ymlaen, sut ydych chi'n rhoid rhan yno fo, mae ydych chi'n rhoid yn peiriant stori gwair i'r prosiect. Mae o'n creu bwrlwm a mae jyst o dynes yn gilydd, a mae o'n ffordd o greu dyfodol sydd yn fwy canoliadwy i'n amgylchedd ni, ond hefyd yn well i ni fel cymuned a cymdeithas a fel pobl.
Fab, isn't it? So you can borrow those. And an ice cream maker. This is all part of the umbrella organisation of Cadernid. And Cadernid, it's about community, it's about resilience, it's about making ourselves stronger, really, and having more fun in the process, you know, and doing the right thing for the planet and saving some money. So it's all online. If you don't do online, then obviously you can come in and we'll help you. We are, at this moment in time, working on a new project around community food, community film, and something for young people. And we don't quite know what that's going to look like yet. But if any of those things float your boat and you feel really passionately about community and making this community how we need it to be for everybody, then please get in touch.